Hi everyone, welcome back to the Buni channel. We've got something really exciting to share with you today. We're thrilled to announce a new collaboration with Seed Studio. They've sent us an array of amazing and cutting-edge hardware as part of their affiliate program, and we'll be diving deep into these capabilities of this hardware. So welcome. Here at Buni, our focus is empowering students with skills in IoT, AI, and robotics. So over the next few weeks and few months, we'll be using this fantastic hardware from Seed again to explore core concepts in Internet of Things, Edge AI, that is Edge Machine Learning, topics central to our training programs for both high school and university students. Our goal is twofold: to give you honest, in-depth reviews of each of these components, and second, to give you some truly innovative projects that showcase what's possible when you combine this hardware with the right amount of skills. So let's get to the unboxing part. So first up, we have the Seed Studio XIAO NRF 52840 Sense. Look at this tiny thing. It's built around the Nordic NRF 52840, which means powerful Bluetooth 5.0 and ultra low power consumption. Perfect for wearables. It's really cool in the sense whereby it has the sense patch. This is the 6-axis IMU for motion tracking. Even the PDM digital microphone, this tiny thing. It has Bluetooth 5.0, this tiny chip over here. It's running the ARM Cortex M4, which is designed for embedded machine learning projects. The classic XIAO thumb size design. Look at how small it is, just 21 by 17.8 millimeters. Feels solid. Definitely going to be fun to see what TinyML applications we can cook up with this. Next, we've got the Seed Studio XIAO ESP32C3. This one packs the brand new Raspberry Pi ESP32C3 chip. So it's got switchable architecture with dual ARM Cortex M33 cores and dual open hazard 3 RISC-V cores. So this means some serious flexibility and enhanced security. Still in that tiny XIAO form, it still boasts 19 GPIOs. So some are over here and some are extra are over here, so you can connect to them. So 19 GPIO pins on this small. It has an RGB LED right over here, and even a battery management system with super low power draw. It supports C++ and MicroPython, so development should be a breeze. Plus 2 megabytes of flash and 520 kilobytes of SRAM. This feels like a real powerhouse for its small size. And here's a familiar friend with a twist, the Seed Studio XIAO ESP32C3. So you probably already know the ESP32 that you use in your projects. So the big draw here is a robust Wi-Fi and Bluetooth low energy connectivity, making it a go-to for all sorts of IoT projects. It even supports an external UFL antenna for extended range, so you have to connect it over here. Be very careful how you connect it. So I'm just going to push it vertically. Yeah, there you go, it's connected. And then later on you'll have to solder these pins over here. We'll do that later when you're doing our project. I'm also seeing a well thought out power design with multiple low power modes, and it's breadboard friendly because it has no components at the back. Super practical for production and wearables like pet trackers. Alright, now I'm excited about this one, the Groove Vision AI module version 2. It's an MCU based vision module powered by the HiMax Wasai 2. Inside, it's got a dual core ARM Cortex-M55 and crucially an integrated ARM Ethos U55 neural network unit. That means serious on-device AI processing capabilities. It supports TensorFlow and PyTorch and the Seed SenseCraft AI platform, which promises no-code model deployment. Look at this, a PDM microphone, an SD card slot, a Type-C, and a Groove interface. Yeah, it's really packed. This module is designed to bring powerful vision AI to your smart sensors and TinyML applications, supporting things like facial key point detection, human pose estimation, among other cool capabilities. It's designed to be compatible with XIAO boards and the Raspberry Pi. Can't wait to make these settings. So you can connect it with this camera, which comes from Raspberry Pi. So all you gotta do is unclip it like that, connect the connector, clip it back again, and then here we'll have to open this and then make sure the connector is connected very well. Here, there you go. And then close it and then it's connected. So let's see what you can build with this. Wow. This is another really cool one. To go with our XIAO boards, we have the Seed Studio round display. This is an expansion board featuring a 1.28 inch round capacitive touchscreen, which means it's like your phone, with a 240 by 240 resolution. The colors I know will be very crisp. It's designed to be fully compatible with all XIAO boards like the ones we've previously presented. What's neat is it includes an onboard RTC holder, so you can put a battery here like the batteries you have in watches for timekeeping, and you can also charge it. So let's wait and see what we can do with it. It also has a TF card slot over here, so you can put a card for recording stuff, and it can go up to, and it can hold up to 32 GB of storage. This is going to be perfect for creating interactive displays for wearables, smart home controls, or visible control centers. So it feels really well made and compact. I can't wait to build with this. Next up is the Groove GPS module featuring the Air 530 chip. This is a multi-modal satellite positioning module supporting GPS, BeiDou, GLONASS, GNSS, and many more. This means it should be able to get a fix pretty much anywhere by tracking multiple satellites simultaneously. SEED claims it has very high precision even with a bad signal and very low power consumption at just 31 microamps. Wow, that's good. Standard Groove connector, so this one, so it's easy to plug and play. This will be fantastic for any projects needing location data for trackers and navigation. So there you go. This is interesting. The Groove AC voltage sensor. This module is designed to measure RMS AC voltages, which is key to DIY energy meters or identifying loads. It has adjustable gain for different inputs like 120 volts or 240 volts AC, and outputs an analog signal, making it compatible with many development boards. It's built around the MCP6002 op-amp. This will be great for smart home projects where you want to monitor appliance power, or even for some machine learning applications to identify different electrical loads. And finally, we have the Groove AHT20. This is an industrial grade I2C temperature and humidity sensors. It uses a new generation sensor chip promising fast response and strong anti-interference, making it suitable for harsh environments. The temperature range is -40 to 85 degrees Celsius, and the humidity from 0 to 100 relative humidity. Again, standard Groove connector for easy integration. This will be a reliable choice for any project needing accurate environmental sensing, from weather station to industrial monitoring. So this is the chip, very small.